This is live? Who pressed the live button? Wait, I don't see. Yeah, this is you. Let's go, Marcus Body Coding, remember? Yeah, new footwork every day, no matter where we are. Where are we? I don't know. But remember, you see, we do. No excuses. First you see, cross complicado 3. Let's go. Let's go. Again. Let's do it fast today. Yeah, are you ready? I'll switch the cameras and we'll do it together. Let's go. Let's do it together today pretty fast. Let's go. Cross with the left, step to the back, and step in place. Cross with the right, step to the back, step in place. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again. We can go 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Cross, step to the back. Step, cross, step to the back. I step on my toes. Yeah, not full leg, on the toes. Again, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Amazing. Amazing. Yeah, this Marcus Body Coding. We code the moves. These are universal moves. Yeah. Universal moves mean that you can do them practicing and dancing your hip hop. Salsa, Bachata, Kizomba, Zumba, Rumba, Samba, Samba, whatever you want. Yeah. Let's get the things ready for the flight. On the way. In between. So, wait, you're still here? Amazing, let's do another practice. I almost forgot. Let's use this one for another practice. Are you ready? Let's go. Now face to face. Let's go. Are you ready? Imagine this is the mirror, yeah? Let's go. Starting with the left. We cross, step to the back and step. We cross, step to the back and step. 1, 2, 3. You can add the shoulders. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. You can add even a drop back. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, drop, 5, drop. Amazing or not amazing? I cannot believe you stayed till now. So since you stayed till now, yeah, I have a bonus for you. This Cross Complicado 3, you can get this tutorial for free. Practice it right now with me in the studio. Amazing or not amazing? How can you do that? Check the link above, to the sides, below, or whatever it might be. Yeah. And meet me in the studio. And remember to do this move today in the party. Yeah, today. Why? Why today? Because tomorrow, no matter where we are, new footwork every day. So see you tomorrow or see you tomorrow. Let's see you tomorrow. Let's meet tomorrow, whatever it might be. Have an amazing day.